Hello, today we will guide you through Beehiiv newsletter tutorial, how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. To get started, open Beehiiv in your browser and make sure you are on your newsletter dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can manage posts, drafts, and publishing options. If you are creating a newsletter for the first time, this is where the process begins. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the top left area of the screen for the new drop-down menu. Click that drop-down to open your creation options. This menu is where Beehiiv lets you choose the type of content you want to start with, and it is the quickest way to begin building a newsletter. After opening the drop-down, choose Blank Draft if you want to create your newsletter from scratch. This option is ideal if you already know the format and content you want to use, or if you prefer complete control over the layout and writing. Starting with a blank draft gives you a clean canvas, which is especially helpful for fully custom newsletters. If you would rather save time or follow a pre-designed structure, you can instead click Template Post. This option is useful when you want a more guided starting point. Templates can help keep your newsletter organized and consistent, especially if you plan to send similar types of updates regularly. If you choose the template option, the next step is to select a sample template from the template library. Take a moment to review the available layout choices and pick the one that best matches the style of newsletter you want to create. For example, some templates may be better for announcements, while others may work well for editorial-style content or curated updates. Choosing the right template at the beginning can make the editing process much smoother. Once your draft or template is open, click Next at the top of the screen. From there, continue by following the on-screen procedure in Beehiiv. These prompts will guide you through the remaining setup and help you move toward finalizing your newsletter. Be sure to read each screen carefully so you understand what Beehiiv is asking for before moving forward. As a general tip, whether you start with a blank draft or a template, it helps to think about your newsletter's structure before you continue. A clear subject, readable sections, and a clean layout will make your content more effective and easier for your audience to engage with. That's it for getting started with creating a newsletter in Beehiiv. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be ready to build your newsletter with confidence.